Hello everyone, my name is Omesh Kumar. Today we learn how to set up dark mode in React.js or Next.js with Tailwind 4 and how to set up Tailwind 4 in Next.js and React.js. For that, check out my previous video. I gave the link in the description. Okay, so let's see. This is our code in which we see how to write classes for dark mode. Okay, so this is our code which looks like this. So just we give the right class name. So class name we give background red, bg red 500. Okay, and for the text we give text is suppose green. So this look like this, background is red, our text is green. Okay, so when we want like how it looks in the dark mode, so for that just write dark and colon, and here you give your Tailwind classes for the dark mode. So we give bg black, and for the text we give dark, and here we write text white. Let's see, here it is a light mode because my computer theme is in a light mode. Okay, so when it changes to the dark, it becomes the dark mode. So you see, background becomes the dark and text becomes the white. When it changes to the light, it achieved that. Okay, now with the button we have to switch off dark and light mode. So how to do that? Create one use state, const is dark mode enabled, equals to use state. Okay, let's put it to true. Okay, now how to use this? For that we have to create one button also. For that just wrap it in div. Okay, and create one button here, toggle. uh, to this button we give some class like bg m300. Okay, give some margin 4. Okay, so this is our button, like this look, it look like this. Give the padding also, padding 3, and make it some rounded works. Okay, like this. So for that we have to switch the class name of the parent, like the whole app is wrapped in app tsx. So just write one div in the app.tsx, and here give the class name to this. Just toggle it with the is dark enabled. Okay, if it is dark enabled true, then write it to the dark, otherwise it has to be light. So this is the fixed string, the dark and the light. So according to that, then it has to be she, it has to be visible. Okay, now just put on click on this to toggle the is dark mode enabled. On click here, set is dark mode enabled, and just toggle the same thing. Set will toggle. Okay, like this. Now just check, when we click on this, this is not working because it needed to set up in the Tailwind classes, Tailwind CSS also. So for that, just go to the Tailwind website. This is our website, Tailwind website, and here you find you from getting started, and then you find core concepts. In the core concept, you see the dark mode. Just click on that, and here when we scroll down, you find one this line. So just copy this line and go to your index.css here and just paste it. Just by paste here, our button starts working. Let's see. Let's see. It starts working. So this is how we set up dark mode with Tailwind 4 in our Next.js or React.js project. The same method work in the Next.js also. Thank you.